Hey everybody, Rick Melero here with His Capital, and today we're on the road working on a lot of projects. You're going to get an introduction to one of the projects that we're going to be doing in our fund number 3, where we're focusing on diversification strategies, and actually an assisted living facility is exactly one of the pieces that we're going to be incorporating into our investment strategy that generates a lot of cash flow in addition to making an impact around the community. So come on in and check out the spot.
Finally, this one, only in November we closed of 2019. So that's when this was a little bit separated from the other two. But going forward, let's say as early as October, we get one under contract. We should be ready for, at the latest, December, January.
Next one.
Ready to go.
I remember my first visit in, the smell of cookies baking in the oven, right? I mean, it was like, oh, I'm walking into Ma's house.
This is the money shot when people are here just looking and admiring the view.
If I'm an investor, I'm looking for the buy-in.
Right,
like,
exactly.
Does this guy have a vested interest in doing this, or is he just thinking he's raping money, because he's got Medicare paying for this and that and the other, and that's what we have to sway from, but that's going to be the initial impression.
Creates an environment that you can't do in an institutional place, right? So that's really what the separating piece is here, is it almost forces for you to slow it down and be personal enough to actually take care of
still
these
get
people.
involved. I still do the groceries. Am I going to do that when we have 12? Probably not. How are you, Ananta? We don't have our mask on. Hi, Mrs. K. How are you? Yes.
We just got done inspecting 3 of our assisted living facility projects, and now here we are at another office working with another operating partner as we strategize on how we're going to work together to expand our investments with our Fund 3.